There's an Econo Lodge across the street. These towers, they're supposed to test them every month on the first Saturday at noon by sounding the imminent danger signal for 30 seconds, followed by the all clear signal. Now, through these tests, we're supposed to know the difference between the imminent danger signal and the actual fire alarm, which goes off as many as 12 times a day. It says in this brochure from the Talbot County Emergency Management people that we are to pay attention to these tests on the first Saturday of every month in order to familiarize ourselves with how they sound so we can take appropriate action in the event of a real emergency. This is the sound of the siren outside the house. This goes on as many as 10 or 12 times a day. The average is about 3 times a day. The tower is about 3 blocks that direction. And there are hundreds of residents who have to live with this. Sounds like these were meant to get the adrenaline level up. It's an air raid siren. Air raid, air raid. Please, help us. Help us make sure that this is only for worst case scenario. This sound should be heard when a hurricane is bearing down on us, when a tornado endangers all of our lives. That was fun. So that was supposed to have sounded a lot different than the actual fire. Remains to be seen. Woo!